Installing the chain. To do this, you will need master link pliers. The parts you will need are the Shimano chain and the quick links. Before you install the chain, look for the text and logos on one side. This side must face out towards you when you install the chain. Thread the chain over the chainring and the smallest rear sprocket. Thread it through the derailleur, going over the right side of the guide pulley wheel, over the small metal tab in the cage plate, and then over and around the tension pulley wheel. Check the quick link for the direction arrows and ensure that they will follow the direction of the chain as it moves. Place each link onto each end of the chain facing in opposite directions and join them together. Using master link pliers, click the quick link into place. The chain comes ready lubed, so you don't need to add any at this point, but it's important to keep your chain clean and re-lubed regularly, around once a week if you ride every day.